हेलो बच्चों। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक हाउ टू क्रिएट एंड यूज़ अ रेसिक चार्ट फॉर प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेस के बारे में है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाउ टू क्रिएट अ यूज़ अ रेसिक एंड चार्ट्स फॉर प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेस। In any group undertaking, everyone must know what exactly they and others are responsible for in project management. Clarity in rules and responsibilities is essential. Understanding who's responsible for what can make the difference between project success and complete chores. President Truman's famous desk sign reminds us that accountability is non-negotiable. If you're ever been part of a project where tasks were missed or deadlines were balanced, you may have asked, wait, who's in charge of this task? I thought it was B responsibilities, whereas B assumes that C was supposed to do it. As teams struggle to demonstrate rules and responsibilities from startup to large corporates, our RASIC charts can help whether your project managers, teams leaders, or business analysts. These charts can be streamline communications and improve project governance. Let's see what are RASIC charts and how to create one and how to use it effectively. What is a RASIC chart? This chart offers struggle made to map out these rules in relations to specific tasks or decisions, ensuring clarity or reducing any overlap or confusions. RASIC charts built on the popular RASIC planning, adding a new dimensions by including supportive to help better manage complex projects by defining who's does it, but a RASIC chart prompts efficiency, accountability, and smooth collaboration, all essential ingredients for success. Basic charts component. To fully understand how a basic charts work for capacity building, let's break down the key components. Responsible are the responsible PA persons or teams takes with the doing the work is the primary doer of the task and is responsible for getting its work it is done. In many cases, more than one person may be responsible for different parts of the task. Accountable say the person who ensures the task get ensures the whole ultimate ownerships and are answerable for outcomes to prevent confusions. Only one person is typically accountable for each task. Supportive says individuals who are actively involved in completely the task while they don't directly own the task or decisions. Their role in the provide support and ensure the task success informed. These people need to stay in the loop about task progress and outcomes. They don't have to take action, but they are updated on the status. Concerted C. The people who provide input or advice before the task is completed. They offer insight or expertise but are not responsible for carrying out the task. This component comes together to provide a clear picture of who plays what role in the project, ensuring no gaps or overlaps in responsibility. Thought out the project's life cycle. RASIC versus RASIC. Before we understand how to create a RASIC charts, let's address a common question: what's the difference between RASIC charts and RASIC models? The RASIC chart is a widely used is a process time management. RASICs take things a step further by adding a supportive rule. These additional elements is particularly useful for larger projects where tasks are complex and many required extra help beyond the door and decision makers. Adding a supportive role can clarify who should be lending a helping hand to avoid the common pitfalls of people duplicating efforts or leaving necessary support tasks undone. In essence, RASIC gives project teams greater flexibility and clarity when distributing responsibilities. How to create RASIC charts. Now that we know what a RASIC chart is, let's explore how to create one. For this guide, we'll walk through settings of RASIC charts is a project management tools like click up the tools allows you to organize and creates teams responsibilities visually. Create a new space and list. Start by creating a new space for your projects, then create a list especially for your RASIC charts. For clarity, follow it project RASIC charts. Add relevant columns. Once your list is created, is your need to set up the column for your RASIC charts. Customize the column field to include responsible to persons or teams who will be doing to the actual work. Accountable the individuals who is ultimately answerable for the task. Supportive choose offering assistance and additional resources. Informed individuals who will need to keep the updates. Consulted expert or stakeholders whose input is required for decisions making. Define rules and responsibilities. Once your columns are in place, it's time to define a specific rule is each task. Start by identifying the key tasks or decisions within projects. For each task, aligns individuals to the responsible, accountable, supportive, informed, and consulted columns. This process ensures the task is all clear ownerships and that no step are overlooked. Add task goals. Add a custom field you can track additional details such as deadlines, priority levels, or project stage. Adding this field helps you monitor each step's progress, ensuring nothing is forgotten. Visualize with Gantt charts and views. Use the ClickUp Gantt charts to visualize task timelines, dependencies, and ownerships. Additionally, the ClickUp table views and board views can help track tasks from different perspectives, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and deliverability expectation. Table view also provides a clear overview, presents your task in a tabular format, making it easy to see each task details at a glance. Customizations. Customize the column to display exactly the information you need for your RASIC chart. Filtering and sorting. Filter and sort tasks based on various criteria such as responsible, accountable, due date, status. This makes it easy to identify tasks that requires immediate attention or to analyze to overload of different team members. Task management creates new tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track their progress directly within their views. Integration with other views. Use tables views in conjunctions with other ClickUp views, such as board views and Gantt chart views. Track progress and adjust rules. Tracking progress and making necessary adjustments are crucial for keeping your RASIC charts effective throughout the project's life cycle. Monitor task progress. Use the ClickUp task view to get details updates on each task and status, ensuring the responsibilities are met and deadlines on track. The platform's progress bar and completions studies provide visual indicators to keep everyone informed. In addition, you can add selected fault informs or consulted adjustment rules as needed. By using ClickUps ensures that your RASIC charts involves with your projects, allowing you to adjust rules, monitor process progress, and optimize workflows. Try ClickUp today and work smarter. Okay, friends. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.